An ancient tree quivered lonely over a windswept hill of vague dreams. An ancient tree that time had defiled, twisted, and almost bared of leaves. An ancient tree whose solemn cry no one dare disturb. Below, past the sunset beams, ominous birds wheeled over twilight woods, amidst the violent wind, while the shadowy mist unfolded the skies of fading flame. Labyrinths of wonder held a hidden way to memories of infinitude, and voices of far-off foe echoed the imminent storm. Later on, beyond the starry voids, the ancient tree of crumbling elder lore clung to the ties that held him to earth, amidst the violent wind that pealed in so strong. Empty waters seethed ahead, flooded every hollow soul, sights that shaped the impending fate. The abyss opened before the world, lurking after the spirit of the ancient tree, who fought alone before eternity. But his body shrieked its last death cry and yielded to the voice of winter's sigh. Now, the broken tree is carried beyond, swept by the wavering stream of tears of oblivion.
Y Raquel.